Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench, where we help homeowners maintain and improve their homes. And today we are talking about kitchen cabinet painting and whether or not this is a DIY project or if you should hire a pro. Painting your kitchen cabinets is the easiest way to drastically change the appearance of any kitchen. And if you are going to take this on as a DIY project, you have to understand that there's quite a bit of work involved. It's many steps, it's a lot of work, it's very tedious work, and you have to repeat many of the steps several times over in order to get a great looking finish on the cabinets. Now expect this project to take you 10 to 14 days. That's 10 to 14 days of work. That's a lot of work. So you're gonna have to go into this with a lot of patience. That's probably the biggest drawback of a DIY kitchen cabinet painting project, the time. So if you enjoy DIY, this is the ultimate DIY project. Painting your kitchen cabinets is fun. Now, that is if you enjoy DIY projects and you enjoy painting. If you love painting and you love improving your home on your own, you are going to love painting your kitchen cabinets. It is a challenge. It might be the Mount Everest of all painting projects in the home. Now, the biggest reason you want to make this a DIY project is to save money. Painting pros are expensive, cabinet painting pros are really expensive, and they're not always easy to find, and sometimes they're booked out several months ahead of time. So if you're looking to get a project done quickly and you're looking to save money, that would be the biggest reason to take this project on as a DIY project. So a professional painter is just that, a professional painter. This means that they're painting 350 or more days per year, and that means that they're going to have way more experience than the average DIY homeowner. When you hire a professional to do any work in the house, you're paying for that experience. You're paying for that professional experience for that person to come in and do a professional job on whatever they're working on. In this case, painting kitchen cabinets is very difficult for the average DIY homeowner who hasn't taken on that project before. A professional has done dozens or hundreds or perhaps thousands of kitchen cabinets, and they're bringing that experience into your house. When you're hiring a pro, the job is going to get done more efficiently and just in a more professional manner. A pro is going to be able to achieve a factory finish on your kitchen cabinets, which will be hard to do as a DIYer. Kitchen cabinet painting professionals are expensive. They're expensive for a reason. Most of them do a really great job, but you're going to pay for that experience. If you're going to hire a pro to paint your kitchen cabinets, expect that project to cost at least double as it would if you're taking it on as a DIY project. A pro has access to pro tools and pro materials. They know what to use and how to use it to give you the best possible finish on those kitchen cabinets. When you're hiring a pro, you're buying time. What are your weekends worth to you? Now you know the pros and cons of taking on a DIY kitchen cabinet painting project. Now I want to know what you decided. Are you going to do it yourself or are you going to hire a pro? Let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.